Hello and welcome to the Road to $1 Million, the series where I try to make $1 million before I graduate from university. Today's sitting at 35 subscribers and 25 videos. Join the Discord, the Millionaires Lounge, if you haven't already. It's the first link in the description. Let's get right into these charts. Now, one important development that we have seen since yesterday's video is this bearish divergence on the 1 hour Bitcoin chart. So you can see higher highs in the Bitcoin price and lower highs in the Bitcoin RSI. So this is the momentum indicator. And this being a bearish divergence means that we can expect to see some choppy sideways price action or even some bearish price action, which we already have been seeing as soon as this bearish divergence got confirmed. And right now we are still just chilling in this support level right here, though it is very important that if we lose this support level right here, then we can see a quick move down to potentially the 66,000 US dollar level, all the way down to the 65,500 US dollar level. As for resistance right above us, well, what we can expect in the short term is if we just see a bounce from here and we blast off to the upside, well, then some short-term resistance should be the 72K all the way up to the 74K level right here. Because as you can see, this is the previous all-time high for Bitcoin that we have set a couple weeks ago. So we can expect this level to be an important level of resistance before we can break through further to the upside. Now, as soon as I saw this bearish divergence confirm, I took some profits around the 70K level. Because as you guys have noticed over the last couple of videos, I have been getting a little bit worried about the current situation of the market. And since I'm not fully sure and I have a lot of money in the crypto market, I just wanted to take a bit of profit. So I took out about $16,000 in profit just to be sure that I locked some gains in the case that we do see a further move to the downside here. Now, one really important level that I will be looking out for here is the $69,400 level, because this is the previous all-time high from 2021, from that bull run. Because what we saw last time is that as soon as we broke above the all-time high with a weekly candle close, then we saw a very fast move to the upside that left a lot of people behind. And in fact, the consolidation period here was 4 weeks, which in this case, where we are right now, we have also been consolidating for 4 weeks. So if we now close in 2 days and 5 hours, if we close above this all-time high from 2021, then we may actually see a very fast and violent move to the upside. But of course, we will have to wait and see, because if we break this support level right here and we start trading downwards, then we can easily see a move down below 60K. And since we are on the edge, as well as some warning signals in, for example, the USDT dominance that typically has marked big corrections like these cycle tops as well as local tops in 2019. Since we have already touched this trend line, I see this as another warning signal for the Bitcoin price and where we are in the cycle. That's because of that, again, I do think it was smart to take some profits. But that is, of course, completely up to you, and this is not financial advice. As for the Bitcoin liquidation heat maps, you can see that we have a big pocket of liquidity right above us at 72.2K. And as I always explain, typically the price gets attracted to where there is most liquidity. So it wouldn't be crazy to see the price move up to the 72.2K level, or at least the 72K level here. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but it does look like a pretty juicy pocket of liquidity to liquidate all the people that are currently shorting the Bitcoin price. As for the Ethereum price, here you can see an ascending triangle pattern, which is typically a bullish bias pattern. However, right now, you can see that we have broken down from this ascending triangle, meaning that if we do see a further break below here, and we actually get a confirmation, then in that case, we may actually go back down to the 3,050 US dollar level. Though this doesn't have to be the case because we are still in this big pocket of support right here. So what can still happen is that we bounce back to the upside, start trading back inside the pattern, and for example, break to the upside, in which case we would have a price target of approximately $4,100. But of course, there is some resistance levels to take into account. In this case, the $3,750 up to $3,800 level, as well as the $4,000 up to $4,100 level. As for the support levels that you need to be watching if you're trading this move to the downside, first of all, a big support level is about 35.50 all the way down to 34.50. Then there's a big Fibonacci level sitting at about 33.30, and then another big level of support sitting at 32.50 all the way down to 31.50 right here. So these would be the levels that you need to be watching if you're trading this move to the downside. Personally, I would be pretty careful with this because, of course, we are in a very clear bull market. So it wouldn't be crazy to expect this price to just reverse and start trading back into this level right here. But this is not financial advice. Now taking a look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. So this price, this 0.05 price right here, is how much Bitcoin you need to buy one Ethereum. And as you can see right now, we are in a big level of support. So what I actually did is traded a bit of my Bitcoin into Ethereum, because in the case that we do see a bounce from here, it would mean that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. And let's say that we do actually get to higher price levels right here, it would mean that I would make a net profit where I can trade my same amount of Ethereum for more Bitcoin. So this is something I wanted to speculate on because, yeah, to be honest, this support level right here looks pretty juicy, and it looks like the price wants a bounce from this level. So this has been today's update video. Thank you very much for watching once again. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers, so that would be awesome if we can reach that. Like this video if you haven't already. It helps the YouTube algorithm push out these videos to more people. Lastly, if you haven't joined my Discord server yet, it's called the Millionaires Lounge, and you can join it with the first link in the description of this video. It's a great place to get to know more people in the crypto space, talk about crypto, and share potential trading ideas. So if that is something you're looking for, then definitely join the server. You're welcome to join it. It's completely free. As I said, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.